Friday. Hosting this week's CCF, it's, I don't believe it, Dexter.
Really?
That's what the clipboard says. Tell everyone what's going to be on.
Coming up on this week's Cartoon Friday.
Cartoon Friday.
Cartoon Fridays, we'll see a brand new courage, the Cowardly Cop.
Cowardly Dog.
Cowardly Dog. And they have new about shipping the sick bitty.
Big City.
Join Dexter this Friday at 7 for Cartoon Fridays, only on Cartoon Network.
It's making me mess up.
What did I do? JBVO Weekend Sweepstakes? Hey, what do I win? A year's supply of hair epoxy?
No, Johnny, you're ineligible, but everyone else has a chance to win a Hot Wheels Tornado Twister set and a Jewel Girl Barbie Doll. Enter on CartoonNetwork.com or send your name, age, address, and phone number to P.O. Box 771399, St. Louis, Missouri 63177.
Are you ready for a ride that'll blow you away? Mattel's Hot Wheels Tornado Twister track set. It's one twisted ride.
What's twisted is that I can't enter the sweepstakes.
Aww.